Hi teachers, today I'm going to show you how to attach a document to your lesson plans. This would be especially useful if you have something you'd like to share with parents, for example, maybe a poem or a worksheet that wasn't included in the packets they have and they don't have a copy of it. So to do this, we're just going to click Add, just like you would to start a normal lesson plan. And in this case, maybe I want to have them read a poem. So I'm going to say read poem with a note that says attached. And then down here, you can see there's a section that says documents. And so I'm going to upload a document. I'll just choose a random file from my computer. So I'm going to actually choose this one, but you can do this with a PDF. You can do it with a Word doc. It doesn't matter. And then I'll click Save. This will take a couple seconds to upload. There it is. It's been uploaded. And now I can close out of this and go back to my lesson plan and click Edit Document. And now you can see the one I just uploaded, Midtown Schedule, right here. And I can click Save. And it is there in my documents. So this is what I would do in my lesson plan to make sure that parents had access to this. And now I'm going to attempt to show you what this would look like for parents. So if I go back to RenWeb and log in as a parent, and I would go to student. This was for Matthew's class. So I'll go to Matthew, look at his lesson plans, and I actually want to look for a different week. So hold on one second. Instead of being in the weekly summary, I'd have to go to lesson plans, and then I can go back to the week. I wanted to put it somewhere that it wouldn't affect the class right now. But now you can see here is where I added read poem attached, and then right below that you can see grammar writing supplemental document, and that's where we have access to the Midtown Schedule document that I uploaded. So it would be right there in lesson plans with your parents, and you can see that my son's teacher actually does utilize this already. So if I go to the weekly plans and look at her lesson plans, you can see Bible supplemental documents. This is where she has uploaded that, and it shows up right in the lesson plans, and I have no trouble finding it at all. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions or if this video didn't answer your question, please feel free to send me an email at aallen@theacademyok.org. Thanks so much.